The fastest way to make money online in 2022. With the cost of living on the rise, a lot of people are looking for a quick way to make money online. While there are a lot of ways to make money online, most of them require a lot of time to get off the ground. In this video, you're going to learn a way to make money online within 24 to 48 hours. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to learn more ways to make money online for introverts. By far the quickest to make money online is by selling or promoting a product with paid advertising. Yes, you will need to pay out of pocket for the first time around. But once you get your first few sales, the amount you pay for advertising will be nothing but a drop in the bucket compared to what you are making. How do you get started selling with paid advertising? First, pick something you want to sell or promote. This can be practically anything you want. From physical products, digital products, ebooks or software. You don't even need to create your own product to sell. Sites like ClickBank, Digistore24, and Warrior Plus give you access to thousands of products you can promote for free. You can choose from a variety of niches, from health, wealth, relationships and more. Once you find a niche and product you want to promote, go to Google Sites, where you can make a simple web page to promote it. This is a lot easier than it may seem. If you chose a niche you know a lot about, you can write a simple article about the topic or problem the product solves. If you prefer not to write an article, there are a number of AI tools you can use to help. Reader.me is by far one of the best AI writing assistants out there, and we use it for all of our video scripts, including the video you're watching right now. When you're writing your web page, make sure to include some calls to action to your affiliate link. Once someone clicks on your link and buys from it, you will make a commission on the sale. Once you have written your article, you can make some changes to the pages to improve its appearance. It doesn't have to look perfect, just presentable enough. Once your web page is ready, make sure you click Publish at the top and give your page a name. Now comes the fun part, making money with paid ads. There are a lot of sites and platforms that you can run ads to your new web page. Some of the most popular are Facebook, Google, Pinterest, and YouTube. Facebook is the easiest platform to learn how to use, so we recommend starting with it. Open your Ads Manager, create your campaign, and follow the prompts to get your ad made. While this may take some money up front, you can get by with as little as $5. Once you submit your campaign, it will take some time for it to get approved. Once it is, Facebook will start promoting your ad and driving people to your webpage with your affiliate link. As long as you've done everything properly, making money with this method should be easy for anybody. Are you excited to try this method? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your thoughts. Remember to subscribe for more ways to make money online for introverts.